In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your Hostgator Cpanel, a crucial tool for managing your web hosting environment effectively. Whether you're looking to set up a new website, manage files, or configure your hosting settings, the cPanel makes it all straightforward. Let's dive into how you can easily access it. First, let's start by going to the official Hostgator website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or simply search for Hostgator. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a variety of options and plans, but what we want to focus on here is the login process. So draw your attention to the top right corner and click on the sign in button. It's usually easy to spot and is your gateway to accessing your account dashboard. When you've clicked sign in, you'll find yourself on the account sign in page. Here, it's important to enter your credentials correctly, your username and password. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Simply follow the prompts for recovery options available on the page to reset it. After successfully logging into your Hostgator account, the next step is to navigate to the Hostgator home. On your dashboard, you should see a menu that gives you a variety of options. Go ahead and click on the website button. This area is essentially where all your website related settings and tools are located. Next, find the settings option. You'll usually see this on the menu or as a part of the website settings section. Click on it, and once you're in the settings area, the next step is to find and click on the advanced option. The advanced section contains more detailed and technical aspects of your hosting setup. Once you are in the advanced section, you'll see a control panel navigation item labeled cPanel. Go ahead and click on that. This cPanel interface is where you can manage everything from domains and files to email accounts and databases. It's a very comprehensive tool, essentially the control center for your website hosting, and just like that, you've now accessed your Hostgator cPanel. It's a powerful thing to have at your fingertips, whether you're a beginner or an advanced user. From here, you're set to configure your web hosting and utilize all the features available to you. Leveraging the cPanel effectively will not only enhance your website's performance, but also provide you with the tools to maintain a smooth operational online presence. Remember to explore all the options available in your cPanel, and don't hesitate to reach out to support if you need any assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this process as straightforward as it is beneficial. Happy hosting,